Guys, you might not see me well, but I'm gonna do makeuping myself. So I'm gonna put some powder first. Here's the powder, but I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use this brush. Okay. You may not see. Oh my God, managag na naman! Something else fell down in the bathroom. Oh my God! Can't wait to see the reveals of my face.
Sa mga nais po magbayad simula May 1, 50% lang po ng inyong outstanding balance ang kailangang bayaran para masiguro na tuloy ang inyong cable of internet connection. Pansamantala din natin sinususundin ang paghahatid ng printed billing statements o yung tinatawag na hard
Just wait, okay, I'm gonna open the lights.
upang maiwasan ang pagkalat ng COVID-19. Para makita po ang billing statement.
There, now you can see me. Oh my God, my cheeks have so much powder.
Okay, mag-download ng My Sky app. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik, Sky na pamilya, at patuloy po tayong mag-ingat as we hashtag stay home together. Yan po ang mensahe mula sa Sky Cable, no? Dahil ang teleradyo napapanood rin sa Sky sa iba pang mga platforms. So, salamat sa Sky.
Okay, part
That's enough.
Okay, mamaya.
Just a little bit more above here. Okay. Now you see me. Now our next step is the eyebrow. First thing first, I'm gonna close it up. Here we go. Put it back right here. Yeah, close it. Put it back right here. Okay, now I'm gonna do the eyebrow. Gonna do my eyebrows.
Only for the essential services.
Yes, kaya nga, that's what I said. Na, mga
Sometimes I don't do it properly. So I'm gonna get some little help from my mom if it's not perfect what I'm doing. Sometimes because it's kind of tricky to do your eyebrows. Ooh, it is kind of tricky.
mga kids zone, di ba, yung mga ganyan na mga, alam mo tawag sa
Oh my God, I ruined it.
or ni store yun eh, shop, whatever.
It's already perfect, but I actually ruined it. I didn't ruin it. It was gonna ruin. Leave it alone. We can fix it
Leisure store,
by using the brush.
Pero alam mo,
fashion stores,
pabalita ako sa iyo, di ba, alam mo naman yung mga lalaki, di ba, yung mga gustong,
And you may stay at home from
you have all the time,
getting the virus.
pero wala kang mabili sa
I don't know what to do. That's why I'm just doing makeup.
meron na daw isang
And I was just doing some TikTok after, like, you know, doing a video. Because I was almost gonna be doing some videos on TikTok doing my own makeup, but the time is too short to do it a full video. That's why I just did in a video perfectly. Okay, now let's cover this up. Meow. Brush it off, brush it off.
so ikaw ay commiserate with you kasi ikaw ay doing lunch
They're perfect. The other side.
tatlong oras sa lunch dahil
Oh,
sa HR yung mga pinagagagawa ko ayan
kasamang HR, kasama si Tia.
to spread it up. Okay, I think that's okay. I'm gonna do my blush and my cheeks, and the end thing I'm gonna be using
panibagong DOH briefing mamaya ano po maganda po kasi I guess in a way of thinking bakit kailangan mas malaman
and sometimes you guys.
ano ang realidad
I have another eyebrow from this. I think you call that mascara, but yeah. Oh, why am I doing it on my eye?
very nice to really
Cook at home. Yes. Oh, ito partner. Sorry partner, interrupt.
Sure.
DTI Secretary
Okay.
Lopez. Ayan, introduce mo na para makausap natin ang matagal.
Actually, introduce mo na eh.
Na-introduce ko.
My mom is watching some news of the virus. But some of you guys cannot watch it because you might get stressed. Oh no, some of my makeup falls down. And now I'm gonna do my favorite part. My favorite part is when we use the lipstick. It's not kind of hard, but I'm gonna do two kind of lipstick here. First things first, I'm gonna use the red one. I'm so excited! Oh my god! Oh my god! Before,
I was going to ask kasi step 1, no, paano ipapatupad yung general community quarantine?
I love doing makeup.
Na pwede, May 1, no? Medyo nag-relax na.
Actually, it's not kind of fun
Yung mga malls,
when you're in quarantine.
classified as
But sometimes it's fun when you play alone because some kids are not cheering.
drugstore. But paano like mga department store? Paano ang mga
Look at this red.
classified na rin pwedeng magbukas?
I really have a red lip.
A list of the stores that will be
It's
allowed
really
to
red.
open.
My lip is really red now. I think that's okay. I'm going to the next shade of this. I'm gonna do it above it. Wonder what it's gonna turn out. I'm gonna be putting them together. It looks so amazing. Feeling good. And you guys can watch more TikToks. Here guys, here's what my makeup turned out. Try to put a little bit the reddish color. They are perfect. Now guys, if you see my makeup, if you want to see my makeup videos, you may go to my YouTube account and my TikTok account. And we live in Maccabi. Wait, where do we go? Wait, Mommy, what's the name of our house? Mommy, what's the name of our tower?
Cityland. Akin na yun.
We live in Cityland.
Akin na yung panlinis na ako ko doon. Gugupitin ko yung kuko. Sakit na.
Asan?
Yan, yung bag na yan. Yung pink. Lipstick ko na naman.
Okay, we live where? Cityland, yeah. Cityland, and you may come here anytime you want. But after quarantine, we don't want to get some virus from outside. Okay, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell button. See you next time. Bye!